Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2018 Police utility that is now ready to be sold. 2018, 133,700 on the miles. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please give us a call at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at cainterceptors.com. That's CA for California, interceptors.com. Okay, if the vehicle is posted on the website, it's because the vehicle is available. If it's not on the website, it's sold, guys. Okay, we already have potential buyers on this vehicle, so this car might go quite fast. Okay, 2018 police utility. Let's go. Okay. All right, so we'll start with the spotlights. This is a vehicle that we made a video on for the replacing the actual halogen to LED spotlights. So obviously fully functional. On top you have two pancake antennas, are for display only. In the front we have a beautiful gold rhino heavy duty push bumper or push bar, okay, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, the vehicle is on now, so you can actually hear it idle. Okay, nice and smooth. Goodyear Eagle RSA tires all the way around. Good tire life remaining. I'm speeding through this video, guys. It's been raining on and off, so I just don't want the rain to catch me now and me not make this video. Okay, car is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so check it out. Two pancake antennas. And there's your two pancake and one center antenna. Okay, the antenna obviously is functional, not the pancake ones for the upfit. Okay, the vehicle is regular. It's a 3.7 all-wheel drive, regular 87 unleaded fuel. Okay, not a flex fuel. The flex fuel is a white one that we have, which I'm going to be working on next. Okay. Remember guys, all my cars are clean title. Okay, no salvage, no frame damage, none of that fun stuff. We don't sell that trash around here. You know, that's just what we do. Okay, what we don't do, we don't sell. We sell nothing but clean titles only. No airbag deployment, no frame, no salvage. No thank you. Okay. All right, so now let's take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Look at this front. It's just gorgeous. Hang on, I'm gonna pause the video. We got a train coming. All right, guys, so I had to bring the car inside. The rain started, so I still needed to make this video. So please excuse the low light. Okay, but let's go. Let's continue. Okay, so panels. Okay, this panel here is missing. We already ordered it. It's actually on its way. We should be here the next day. So, but yeah, so obviously this will have the actual cover. Okay, perfect. Here's the inside. 136,388 on the miles. All right, check it out, guys. You have on your dome light, you have your white, and then you have your heater. Okay, as people refer it to, right? So there's that. This vehicle does have the Bluetooth capability, so you can connect a Bluetooth phone to it. Okay, perfect. All right, we put a center console with the face plates, just nice and smooth. Also was repainted as well. Yeah, check it out, absolutely gorgeous. Now let's take a look at the rear setup. All right, rear setup, check it out. So we have a flat hard metal prisoner door panel. Okay, we have the covers here, but we decided not to actually put them. So this actually makes it look real nice. Here's the rest of it. So you have your regular seats back here. You got your 3 seat belts, okay? Ready to go. All right. Now for the rear, this is what we also did a video on installing this Grow Rhino back setup, right? Check it out. Just gorgeous. All right, so we're gonna open this up. Everything's nice and clean now. Yeah, buddy. This was hard to work. Installing this this tray. All right, parking sensors in the rear, obviously fully functional. All right, let's go over to the passenger door. Look at this, guys. All right, nice and clean. Please excuse the background items. We were not ready to film this car inside the actual warehouse because we were confident that it wasn't going to rain today, but you know how it is. All right. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. See that white one in the background? That's a 16 flex fuel. That's what I'm driving now, since we're selling our green one. I enjoy the flex fuel. It's cheap. Gas is about $4 right now, so it makes it for flex fuel, because gas regular unleaded $7.25 where we're at. So unbelievable. Okay. Sweet. So there you have it, guys. 2018 Ford Police Utility that is now ready to be sold. Okay. Questions, give us a call, 909-457-5500. My name's Antonio. I'm the owner. Feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help you whatever you need. If it's this car or a different vehicle that you might be interested in, or a future build, specific vehicle build that you may need or want for your personal life or your security business. All right. So cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry about the filming. I know we're filming inside the actual warehouse. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. And actually, no, have a blessed rest of your day. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, share, and like. Thank you.